This right here is the Tonor Q9 USB microphone. It's a budget microphone that costs around $50 and it comes with an arm mount. So in this video we're going to test it out and see if it is worth it for you. But first I gotta give you guys my disclaimer. This microphone is given to me for free to do a review. So just keep in mind that anything I'm saying about this microphone is based off of my experience and I am not paid to say anything nice about it. So with that out of the way, let's get started with the unboxing and the setup. So inside of the box is pretty much everything you need to get started with live streaming or recording. Setting up the arm mount is very easy and straight to the point. You probably don't even need to look at the instructions to figure out how to do it. First step is putting the desk mount on your desk. Then you attach the arm mount to it. And then you put the microphone in the shock mount. And the shock mount goes on the arm mount. And it's optional if you want to put the pop filter or the foam cover that I have right here. And as you can see right here, I have it set up and it is holding up pretty well. It has a solid feel to it. It doesn't feel like it's about to fall apart. It's very sturdy, but you obviously should not be moving your microphone too much. I have a full movement to move it, towards me or away from me. I can put it up, down. It always bothers me when I see an interview or a video podcast, and they're always touching the microphone and adjusting it. I don't know why. They could be talking and just like moving it back and forth for no reason. You should try not to touch the microphone when you're doing a video. Just a little bit of a pro tip right there. But yeah, you can hear I'm using the microphone right now. It is connected to my laptop and I'm recording, so you can hear it right now. This microphone works with PC, Mac, PS4. It doesn't work with Xbox, but it should work with the PS5 also. That's according to the Amazon description. The microphone is pretty basic, but that's not a bad thing. There's no RGB lighting, nothing fancy about it, no extra buttons, just the volume controls on the front. There's no noise cancelling and there's no headphone jack, so you can't monitor it with your headphones. There's two buttons on the front and that is for your volume control, so I can go ahead and turn up the volume a little bit and you should be able to hear me just a little bit louder. Now I'm going to go ahead and lower it down. And to mute the microphone, you just hold down either the top or the bottom button for a few seconds and that will mute the microphone. It's not as convenient as the other microphone that I reviewed from Tonor a few weeks ago, that one where you can just tap on the top and it will mute. I really like that feature. This one doesn't have it, but still, it's fine. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you don't really need the foam cushion. I don't think you do. I don't think it makes a difference. It's pretty sturdy, but like I said before, you just don't want to keep on touching it because then it might get loose. Sometimes like if you keep on adjusting it, it's gonna end up like getting a little loose and it's just gonna go like this. So don't touch it and it'll be fine. Now I'm going to go ahead and slide my chair back so you get an idea of how the microphone sounds from a distance. And we're going to go ahead and turn the microphone backwards. So this is a Cardioid microphone, so it won't pick up from behind as much. And we're going to go ahead and turn it back towards me. And now we're back to about 6 inches, which is normally how I record from my microphone. So let me know in the comments below, how do you think this microphone sounds compared to the other microphones that I reviewed? It is available right now on Amazon for around $55. And like I said before, it comes with the arm mount and the shock mount and pretty much all the accessories that you need to get started recording. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below and be on the lookout for more tech videos coming soon.